Millions of graduates passing out each year. Authority seems to be compromised for the security credentials for student data. Due to the lack of effective anti-fraud mechanism, even that cause fraud records often get noticed and it is getting easier day by day. Public and private educational institutes are struggling to maintain the immutability of records. Student information to examination results belongs to a secure channel. If created ones should never be tampered or removed, even by record owner. Such records are nearly impossible to create in traditional centralized technologies like database, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. Other problem in traditional data storage is the mandatory requirement for trust the third party. Sandook is a secure asset storage with large scalable functionality that promises immutability, decentralized and distributed systems. This enables educational institutes to adopt the world's most advanced open global ecosystem platform based on blockchain technology and make their assets always valid, verifiable, and decentralized proof of document that can't be modified or erased by third parties or government. The system saves on paper, cut management costs, and prevent document forgery and provide accurate and reliable information on digital certificates.